Sarah, thanks for sending us a math question today. It looks like you sent us a parabola, which you want to be able to identify because there's a y squared and just an x to the first power, so it's going to be a parabola. So this for this equation, we want to complete the square. So what we're going to do is rewrite the y squared and minus 6y, but we're going to move over the 4x and the 17 to the other side so we can get ready to complete the square. So I'm going to put plus something, so we're getting ready to complete the square there. And then when we move the 4x and the 17 over, they switch signs. Alright, so to complete the square, we take the negative 6 and divide by 2, which would give us negative 3, and then we square it, and then that'll give you 9. Since we added 9 to the left side, we have to add 9 to the right side to balance things out. Alright, so then we factor the left side. We get y minus 3 squared equals 4x minus 8. Okay, so we're almost there. We can't have a coefficient out in front of the x there, so we have to take it out front of x. So we take the 4 out front, and we get x minus 2. Okay, so this is a, since the y is squared, that means it's a parabola opening right or left. So let's see what our p-value is. So what we do is we set 4p equal to whatever's in front of the x here. So it's going to be 4. And then we get p equals 1. Alright, so we can find our vertex here. Our vertex is going to be 2. This is the opposite of the x value here. And then y is going to be the opposite of the y value there. So it's going to be 2, 3. Okay. So now we got to find our focus. Now, why don't we just draw a rough sketch of what this thing looks like? Oops. All right. So we go right 2 up 3, which is about right there. So there's our vertex. And since it's y squared and p is positive, it's going to open to the right here. As you can see, art was not my major in college. So we have p equals 1. So if we go right 1, that'll take us to the focus, and if we go left 1, that'll give us our directrix here. So there it is. Okay, so our focus then is going to be, since we went right 1, we have to add 1 to the x value. So it's going to be 3, 3. Okay, and then to find our directrix, we have to subtract 1 from the x value of the vertex, so which is the x value of the vertex is 2, and since the directrix is a vertical line, it's going to be x equals, and then we have to do 2 minus 1, which would give you 1. Okay, and last but not least, the focal length. And the focal length is 4p. So basically, it's whatever's out in front of the x term here. If we look here, the whatever's out in front of the x is 4p. So since it's 4, the focal length is just 4. All right. Well, thank you, Sarah, for sending us a problem. Hope this made things a little clearer. And please use SnapMath again. Talk to you soon.